Before exercise B, let me explain this homework last two sum. This one, Tom. All of you write this one in your copy. The fourth one first. 72 of 1 by 2. Basically, this one will be in fraction. I'll start.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just wait.
Ma'am,
Let me write. Yes, say. The question is this one, Tom. Yes or no? Acha, this one will be in fraction. That's why you have not got it. Okay, not understood. Look, what is the basically property rule of means into Tom, and we have to calculate this one first. So 72 into 1 by 2. Yes?
ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha. The other thing will remain as it is. First do the calculation of this one. By 2, if we do cut cancellation, it will be 36. Yes? Yes, Tom. So 36 into 3 divided by 72. Now again 72, we have to divide 3 by 72. But 72 is greater, Tom. So what will be 36 into 3 by 72? Yes or no? Shirin? 3 divided
Yes,
by 72? Maushim? Now we can do cut cancellation by 3. 3, 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6, 1, 2, 3 4s are 1 by 24. Yes, Tom? So it will be 36 into 1 by 24. Now again, 36 by nothing means 1, Tom. Now we can cut the numerator and denominator if it is matching. Look, here 36 and 24 we can cut is by 12 now. 3, it will be 2. So the answer will be 3 by 2. All of you got this? Basically, this one is little bit higher level. Okay, in class 5, this type of fraction simplifications are there. I have given from that. Okay. Do it first. Done. Afrina. Okay. Noraz. Moshim, then complete it first. Acha, Noraz beta, sit properly. Acha, have you understood? There is injury in your knee. Acha, okay, no issue. Then which one is comfortable for you? You can see it. Okay. Acha. Ah, Shirin, yes. Have you understood this one? Before complete the last one, then I am coming. Look, this one 45. First, we have to calculate this off part. This division will remain as it is. This portion. It will be 3 minus 14. Look at this. Now 45 divided by 3 means what? 15 na? The answer will be 1. The fifth one. This fraction type of sum basically will not come in exam. Okay, don't worry. But maybe one easy fraction come. Okay. Acha. Shirin beta understood? Acha, okay, I'm coming. Wait. Acha, no issue. Just look at this. All of you look at this. Oishani, Ovipsha, Sushnata, Afrina, look.
Yes, ma'am.
Paushali is there. Acha, now look at this. This division we'll do later. Why? Because this is in bracket now. So we will have to calculate the division which is in bracket. That one first. Got it? So what to do? Look, 120 divided by, in bracket first this division. Winkle and shine is not given, so what? Follow the rule. Okay. Bod mass. First division. So 69. Now 9 divided by 3. This one will be what? 3. So into 3 minus 206. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Divided by, now first this bracket part, huh? This will be 207 now. Yes or no?
Minus 3.
So 120 divided by 207 minus 206. What will be this? 1 to?
Yes, ma'am.
Ashia, Paushali, Nushaiba. Got it to?
Yes, ma'am.
Ashia?
But, ma'am, 120 divided by 1. What is the answer?
120. This one is the very easy. If we divide any number by
Yes.
1, then we'll get that number back. Got it? Nusaiba,
Okay, ma'am. Now
understood?
I can understand. And, ma'am, this question will come, but, ma'am, that two fraction question, ma'am, 4 and 5,
May
that
not
will
come.
come in exam.
No, may not come. Okay. Acha, Nusaiba, I am coming. Wait.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Nusaiba, this one not understood. The fifth one. Okay. Don't worry. Again, I'll show you the fifth one. But before that, let me start your book. Exercise B, huh? Okay, beta? Just give some space. Nusaiba, just give some space. Okay, I'll again explain. Don't worry. This space. Yes. 5. Okay, fifth one. Yes, I have got it. Now, Nusaiba, go to the next page and start exercise B. Trisha, Raisa, got it too? Okay. All of you are able to see the screen? Exercise B.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha. The first one and second one, A and B, I am not going to do. I'll do from C. Okay. Acha, okay. First, start A. Look, 16 of all of you start to do it. Those who have not completed number 5, homework, the fifth one. Just as I told Nusaiba, that give some space. So for that, give some space. Okay. Let us first complete the book sum. Acha, divided by 2. So first we'll do division or off.
No, ma'am.
Off. So 16 into 8. Find the
Ma'am,
answer.
8 twos are 16.
No. First we have to do this one. Na? 16 off means what? 8 divided by 2. Forget about this division. First we have to calculate this off part. Now got it? Trisha,
Yes, ma'am.
Paushali, Oishi. Acha, okay. Sharanya, Moushim and Bahia. Understood or not? Shuvangi, Shulagna, Shampriti, Moushim, doubt. Okay. I'm coming. Wait, huh? Now do just directly write the multiplication of 16 and 8. What will
1
be the
to
answer?
8. 1 to 8.
Divided by these two. Now the division work. 64 is the answer. All of you completed? Done to? Acha, all of you open the book, huh? Because for the question you need to open the book. I am telling you the page number. Exercise B page number is 64. Number A completed to all of you. Swarnakshi, Shaud, Paushali, Ankita, Anjum, Ashif, Shulagna completed or not? Prativa understood beta? Prativa, Mausha. Okay. Meheria done. Shifatak, Mohammad Shaim, Ashmit. Okay. Enakshi, Somdatta, Anuvam and Intekab. Sheikh Intekab, keep your camera on. Ha, beta. Bonusri, Parijat, Ononia. From whom the noises are coming? Vahia, what happened? Okay, now let me do number C. In number C, the question is given 6 into 2 minus in bracket 3 plus 4 plus 6. This one is very much easy. First bracket. So what is given in the bracket? No need to see that, ma'am, it is the addition. Before addition, we have to do multiplication. No need to think about this. But this one is bracket too. So do this calculation first. 6 into 2 will remain as it is. 4 plus 3, it will be 7 plus 6. Now then multiplication first. Yes, Sharanya, Deeptashi. Okay, just shake your head. Understood too? Acha. Now 6 to the 12. Minus 7 plus 6. Acha, first addition, then subtraction. So here, before 12, there is nothing, means it is plus. Now look at this. Minus 7 will not do first. First, we have to calculate addition part. 12 plus 6. 18 minus 7 is equal to, write the answer. 11. Now I am doing E. (81) divided by 9 plus 9 of 12 into 7. Do it first. First, Trisha, first this division too. Okay. No. Before division, there is one off, na? Yes, though. So first this off. Nine of 12. That means 9 into 12. Yes, Tom. 9 12, sir. 108 into this 7. Now this division. Yes. So 81 divided by 9 is 9 plus. You can do here the multiplication directly, no issue. But I am doing in step by step form. Now this multiplication, multiply this one. 7 8s are 56. 7 1 is 7. 756. Plus this 9. 765. Completed, all of you? Shushnath, Sharanya?
No, ma'am.
Oshani, Obipsha? Afrina, Noraz, Bonusri, Shirin?
No, ma'am.
Acha, I am waiting. Then number F. Afrina, beta, sit properly. All of you completed to? Sheikh Arhan? Deeptashi? Enakshi? Onanya? Parijat? Mohammad Nahid? Farzana? And Sheikh Intekab? Done to? Okay. Mousha? Achha, now let me start the next one. F. Shampriti, complete it first. Done. Okay, good. Shaud Loshkar, where are you? Achha, question number F. This one is very much important. Right, 90 plus. Achha, this one is known as second bracket, or there is other name also. I told, na? Curly bracket, okay? Square bracket, curly bracket, and parenthesis. Achha, now curly bracket is given. Then 2 of 8. Write this one. Then the first bracket is given. Okay. Acha, one thing. Nothing is given over there means it is into, huh? Look, after 8 and before this first bracket, nothing was given. So that means it is into, huh? Got it? All of you, Ankita? Acha, okay. Now look at this. First this, first bracket or parenthesis. So 3 plus 8, it will be 11. Yes or no? Now directly you can find out this one, huh? The second bracket calculation. What is that? 8 of 2 means 16 into 11, first bracket. Yes, no? So directly 16 into 11 means 176. So directly you can write, basically all are multiplication. Now of means also multiplication. This bracket means multiplication. So just directly you can write 176. Understood? So here it is bracket. Ultimately the answer will be same. 11 is 88. Then off means again into 2 means 176. Suppose we are taking first off, as these are in second bracket and all actually are the form of multiplication. Yes, Tom? Got it? Yes or no, partially? Okay, so directly I am writing. No issue, Tom. Now just do the addition. Yes? Yes or no? Acha, okay.
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am means what? You have not completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, acha. But the answer, have you got the meaning, Tom? Understood the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Anjum, write first. Paushali, what happened? Why are you sitting? Completed? Acha, acha, acha. Acha, then let me start the next one, huh? Number D. First, which one will do? Acha, whom I'll ask, he will be answerable. Raisa, first, this division or this multiplication? Raisa, division. Shubhangi, beta first division or multiplication? Shirin, I know you can answer. No, you are not going to say. Farzana, yes, Farzana. Which one? This one? Just shake your head, yes or no? No, Farzana. I explained now. Always first division, because in this BODMAS rule, look, D is coming first now. Division, yes. Then multiplication. So just divide it, it will be 7. Do it yourself. If we do this division, 7, yes, into 300. Mohammad Nahid, what are you doing? This is the answer. Done? I'll move for the next one. Ankita, Anjum, completed. Meheria, Ashif Molla, okay. Do it first. Obhipsha,
Yes, ma'am.
Shushnath, Shirin, Bonusri is there. What happened, huh? You want to sleep? Oishani?
No, ma'am.
Parijat?
Ma'am, can you see us?
Yes, that's why I told. Acha, Pratibha, Mausha, Mohammad Sahim. Got it? Okay. Enakshi, Anubhav, Ananya and Shifat. Keep your camera on. Sek Irfan also. Shaumadip Ghorui. Wajid. Shrestha. Shoikot. This student. Keep your camera on. Shayon. Nayar. Shayon completed. Okay, Shayon, just shake your head if you have completed. Okay, good. Now H. This one is also very much important, huh? 400 divided by 100 of 2. Into 3 plus 18 minus 9. All of you write the question. Oishani Abhipsha, now I cannot see you. Keep your camera on, beta. Acha, first this division. Or this off. Which one? Ankita, which one? Off or this division? Acha, I am writing this one. Now just tell. Which one coming first? Of or division? Of, exactly. So we have to do of. That means 100 into 2, it will be 200. 400 will remain as it is. Now the division. Yes, though. But now don't do this multiplication, huh? Before that, we have to calculate this division. Then multiplication. Acha, 400 divided by 200. How to divide this in short form? Look at this. 400 divided by 200. This 20 will be cancelled out. Now just by 2, we have to divide 4. 2 2s are 4. Got it too? So this will be 2 into 3. Now complete it yourself. Now first this multiplication. 3 2s are 6. Complete it. I think you can do it yourself. Those who have not done, let me complete it. 6 plus 18 minus 9. 18 plus 6, 24, right? The answer is this one. Do it first. Okay. Acha, don't do this mistake. Basically here, most of the students do first division first. 400 divided by 100. That will be 4. Then this of 2. 4 2s are 8. Then into 3. 24. Plus this 18. Then minus 9. Okay. Then the answer will come 33. Understood? But that will be wrong. Don't do that one. First, we have to calculate of part, then only division. Got it? All of you? All the students understood this one? Yes or no? Sirin, Vaishani, Abhipsha, Noras, Shushnata, got it or not? Acha, okay. So now, all of you, just unmute and say the whether